In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use autofill in Excel. Autofill is one of the fastest ways to complete repeated patterns, extend number sequences, and copy matching values without manually typing everything. Before you start, you need a clear starting point in your worksheet. Look at cell A2 and make sure it contains your initial starting data or the number value that begins your sequence. If you already entered a few values, that is fine too. The key idea is that Excel needs a first value to begin recognizing what you want to fill. Once you have confirmed cell A2 has your starting number or data, you are ready for the next step. Click inside cell A2 so it becomes your active cell. You should see the cell with a border or highlight that shows it is selected. This selection matters because autofill uses the currently active cell to determine what to continue. Now that cell A2 is selected, move your cursor to the bottom right corner of that active cell block. Excel treats that corner like a handle for filling, so you want to position your mouse exactly there. Keep your attention on the very tiny area at the lower right of the selected cell. When you get it right, Excel will show a small fill handle, and the cursor style will change as you approach it. Next, wait until your mouse pointer changes into a sharp, thin black cross icon. This cursor change is your confirmation that you are in the correct location for autofill. If your pointer does not change yet, adjust your position slightly and wait a moment longer. The cursor icon is important because it indicates that Excel is ready to fill cells for you. When you see the sharp, thin black cross icon, click and hold down your left mouse button firmly. Holding the mouse button is what keeps you in control of the fill operation. Make sure you are still hovering over the fill handle in the bottom right corner of the selected cell. If you move away from the handle while holding, the fill might not work as expected. After you have clicked and held, drag your mouse pointer downward or across columns to reach the cells you want to fill. This is where you tell Excel how far the pattern should go. If you want the values to continue vertically, drag downward. If you want them to extend across, drag to the right into additional columns. As you drag, Excel will typically preview what it is going to fill, so you can guide the selection to the correct area. As you release your mouse button, Excel will populate the matching data values in the target cells. Let go only when you have reached the last cell you want included in the fill. Releasing is the moment the automation completes, and Excel applies the same logic from your starting cell across the range you selected. After the fill is complete, take a quick look at the filled cells to confirm everything is correct. You should see the new cells updated with the expected values, following the pattern implied by your initial data. If the filled results do not look right, you can undo and try again, making sure you started from the correct cell and dragged to the correct direction and distance. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.